Hi, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Well, look, sun's still shining in Breen because it's always gorgeous down here in Somerset. You should all know that by now. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's been a while, Roger. It has been a while, but I've been extremely busy finding real deals for people that want to become owners here at Holiday Resort Unity. We've had a fabulous month. There's loads of brand new owners that are loving it, but I've still got holiday homes for all you guys out there. Look, we've still got some amazing holiday homes, some fantastic offers, because I want you guys to come and join us here at Holiday Resort Unity. And we all know how far we are from the M5, don't we, people? Yeah, 15 minutes, that's it, 15 minutes from the M5. You can come and get your own little piece of heaven right here at Holiday Resort Unity. So what are we looking at today? Well, I'm going to show you the brand new 2020 Swift Loire. I've got the 3-bedroom model behind me, but they also do it in a 2-bedroom model, which I've got as well. So I'm being versatile with you. So enough about me at the minute. Let's go in and let's go and have another little look. Straight away as we walk in, look, people, my favourite words coming up. It's light and airy. Look at the light that's coming streaming in through them large windows. That fabulous wraparound couch. Sofa beds in there as well. So obviously on the 3-bed it'll sleep 8, on the 2-bed it'll sleep 6. Fabulous feature. So your TV there, great storage underneath. Coming round, lovely dining area with stools and a really open plan kitchen feel. Radiator, so of course double glazed, central heated. You wouldn't expect anything less from me though, would you? Integrated microwave. Again, loads of prep, really well laid out. Integrated fridge freezer. I mean, this is ticking some serious boxes again. I know, because I find you guys the best holiday homes and the real deals. Right, carrying on down. So, main bathroom, great size shower. Look, even the light floods in through the bathroom with the large window. Coming into the first of the twins. Again, above bed storage. Really large bedside cabinet, which is ideal. Double plug, so again, phone chargers and all the rest of it, no problems, no one's going to argue. Large window, TV points, and a great size wardrobe. I know, you're liking this, I can see, people. Separate toilets, obviously 2 toilets, ideal in a 3-bedroom holiday home. Then into the other twin, again, really good size. Light still streams into that large window. This is turning into a really lovely holiday home. And then into the main bedroom again, bedsides either side, double points, so again, iPads, phones, lights, anything you want, obviously can all be charged, no problem at all. Above bed storage, and then little dressing table and a great size double door wardrobe with drawers underneath. I mean, this really is a fabulous holiday home. And then coming back down into the main living dining area, you know, so social, great space, fabulous holiday home. So we're back with this stunning 2020 Swift Loire, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. But so I've also got the 2-bedroom model as well. So either sleep 6 or sleep 8, whichever you prefer. Great open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Lovely sized bedrooms. Obviously on this one, you've got the separate toilet and then the main bathroom with another toilet and the shower in it. It's just fabulous. Now, you know what you got to do, people? I want you to pick up the phone. I've missed talking to you. Pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. Say, Rog, I want to investigate holiday home ownership. Because you know, holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995. 15 minutes from the M5 to get your own little piece of heaven. Do you know what? The staycation is real. It's a big thing. I want you guys to come and really experience Holiday Resort Unity with our fabulous facilities and some amazing holiday homes. So pick up the phone and give me a call. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. It really is this simple. And don't forget, woo, this face is still on YouTube, people. Roger the Real Deal Guy. Have a little look at some of the range of holiday homes I've got on there. I'm now going to put on a load more because I want you guys to really see what amazing holiday homes we have here at Holiday Resort Unity. So for now, pick up the phone, email me, message me on YouTube, whatever you want to do. I am here to find you the perfect holiday home. So just enjoy the rest of your day. I mean, it's fabulous out there. Sun shining. What more do you want? But don't forget that key thing. It's not a deal. That's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.